Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Jeanette's Lifestyle. Hope everybody is doing well here and praying as well that everything will gonna be fine in God's intervention with regards to this COVID situation of us until now. Yeah, so let's hope and pray for that always. Okay, guys. So once again, I am here again, and I just wanted to share to you guys today that I am preparing for you or showing you on how uh, I am doing my meat bones stew or soup. Yeah. So we have here the main ingredients, of course, the meat bones. You can have it either pork or beef. Yeah. And for now, um, I will use the pork meat bones. Yeah. You know, guys, meat bones is a really healthy when it comes to making as a soup. I had known that when I was in Hong Kong because my employer used to ask me always to buy a fresh meat bones in the market uh, for me to make it as or to cook it for soup. Yeah, so that's the reason I am also uh, fan of making soup with meat bones. Of course, it has a bit, what is it? Meat, yeah, and also, yes. So, okay. Next is that I am using a potato, of course. One medium potato, and then a corn, and of course carrots, and I have here the onion, the ginger, and for the seasons is that the black pepper, of course, the salt, and I am using this time a dried garlic, or you can use it as well, a fresh one, and of course the spring onions, and later I am as a garnish, or at the last part I am putting the parsley leaves. Yeah, so hope you guys will enjoy watching this meat bones soup or stew that I am making for you today. And so please stay tuned and uh, see you next in my part of how I am preparing it. Okay, so see you guys, and please stay tuned once again. So guys, welcome back once again. So for now, the first thing I am doing is that in a pan, we heat a bit oil only. Just to make wet of the pan. Yeah. So it's hot now. So first thing I am doing is putting the onion. Yeah. Just stir it a bit and add the ginger, the fresh one, of course. And after that, just like crystal, I mean, I am putting already the meat bones, yeah, so that it will not, let's say, malansa, yeah, in our language. So I am a bit stirring it in this oil, yeah. Just that. Very simple. There you go. And after that, I am putting water already for boiling, or let it boil until it is tender. Yeah, so it's like almost of the meat, above the meat. Yeah, I am putting water like that. So I will let it boil until the meat is tender with these meat bones. Okay, so we'll see how many minutes later. Okay, so please stay tuned, guys, and see you on my next part. Okay, thank you. Hello guys, welcome back once again. Let's check already. Okay, now the meat bones are already boiling, and I will show you. You see there is a bit lots of stuff here. When it's already boiling, it's like the fat are here coming on top. So I am taking that, guys, because this is not healthy. You see that? Yeah, so this is very important always to take this. Yeah, there you go. So make sure you are aware of this and take this stuff. Anyway, it's easy, guys, because they are on the top. Yeah, so they are easy to take off. You see? So I got some. This is not nice. Yeah, so for now, we'll boil it once again. I told you we'll see like 10 or 15 minutes. Yeah, it depends if the meat is already tender. Okay, so there you go. We'll just put the temperature into medium for boiling. Okay, so please stay tuned, guys. See you in a bit. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Let's check now after like 20 minutes. Yeah, okay, I think it's the meat is really good already. I mean tender. Yeah, so guys, if it's already tender, I am putting already the salt, seasons it. Yeah, it's like half teaspoon of salt, and just add later if it's not and black pepper, I am already putting that. And a bit garlic. Yeah. And of course, the fish sauce, yeah, which is famous in Philippines. Now, I'm just seldom using this. If I am visiting the Asian supermarket, I am buying this one because here in normal shops, they don't have such fish sauce. It is just in Asian shops. So, last Saturday, we went to Asian shop and I'm lucky to bought this one. Okay, so I'm just putting this like a bit only. Yeah, yes, something like that. And then it's time for me to add already the vegetables. Actually, guys, the potato, I am, as you can see, there is a bit water there because I am trying to put water if it's not yet time for me to add it in the soup, so that it will not get turn into, the color turns into black, yeah, or I mean, you know, because the normal thing is that, or the standard thing is that, if you peel off the skin of the potato, uh, you need to put it into the water so that it will not get rotten or the color turns black, something like that. Okay, so I just take off the water and put it already here. Yeah, okay. In Philippines, we call this soup like nilaga, or let's say either beef, nilagang baka, or in pork we call it nilagang baboy, or yeah, but instead of the proper meat, I am using with the meat bones, yes, because it is very healthy, as what I have told you, as what I have said, yeah. So of course the carrots, I am putting carrots because um, for my kids to eat it. If they cannot eat it, just potato or the soup and the corn are fine, yeah, because the nutrients are still there, yeah. And then the corn, I am putting already the corn, yes, to boil them together, yeah, something like that. My kids are not meat eaters. Yeah, me as well. I am like a vegetarian, something like that. But of course, we used to eat fish, chicken, a bit, yeah. But most of the time, my kids don't like much meat, yeah. So, but make sure that they are eating a healthy diet, yes, because that's very important for them. Okay, so now it's already, I need to add more water, yeah. Yeah, something like that. Yes. The water needs to be up level. Yes. So we'll cook them all the ingredients until well done or tender, okay? Yeah, so we'll see like uh 5 minutes to 8, something like that, okay? So thank you for watching and see you next part of my cooking, okay? So please stay tuned, guys. So once again, guys, welcome back. Let's check. It's like after 8 or 10 minutes already, and here how it looks already, and I just wanted to taste it. And I think the potato are already okay, yeah. So it's like 8 to 10 minutes. They are already tender. And I just wanted to add the taste again. And a bit of this sauce. Yeah. So after that, guys, I am already putting this spring onion. Yeah. Just wanted to put it all. Okay. as well as the leaves of parsley. Yes, just for the last minute. Yes, there you go. And it's done already, guys, so please stay tuned and I'll show you how I prepare it in a serving bowl. Okay, thank you for watching. So welcome back once again, guys. This is the finished product of mine for today, which is the meat bones stew or meat bones soup. Yeah, okay, so you see how it looks like. This is very simple, of course, very affordable and very healthy. Yeah, I am making this if my kids is quite not well, because the soup is very healthy. Yeah, it's good for them to have soup if they are not well, like, you know, you see, they like both my kids love corn, so I am putting corn, of course, and carrots and potato. Yeah, so you see I put some or just a bit fresh parsley on it. Yeah, just for the presentation. I mean, you know, others, as I remember, my mom, if she is cooking nilagang baka or nilagang baboy, is that she is putting like what is it, a pechay for the last you know, to have a green leafy vegetables. Yeah, but for me, I am just putting just, you know, the parsley, because parsley is also healthy. Yeah, for the last minute, and of course on top as garnish. Okay, yeah, so that's it. So as you see, this is very simple, very affordable and healthy, of course. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed watching my preparation and how I cook the meat bones. Yeah, so see you in my next video, guys. And if you are still new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and please click the bell button as well for you to be updated for my next video to come. Okay, so thank you guys again for watching and hope you enjoyed it. So it's time for me to say bye for now.